Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Connect printers to the network, assign static IPs, and register them in your inventory so you can manage them centrally. Install the print server and the management console, then apply security patches. This ensures stability and prevents surprises. Once done, open the console and add a discovery job to find devices on VLAN. Make sure to document credentials and service accounts before proceeding to policies and drivers. Now you move into configuring policies and driver management so printing works predictably. You build a driver store populated with signed, tested drivers and map them to models. This reduces conflicts and help desk tickets. Next, define user groups and enforce quotas, duplex defaults, and color restrictions so costs are controlled. Then deploy printers through GPOs, MDM profiles, or DHCP provisioning, testing a representative user flow. Once verified, schedule automated updates and To finish, you put monitoring and routine maintenance in place so the environment stays healthy. Enable logs, set alerts for spooler errors, and collect usage reports to detect anomalies and optimize costs. Run periodic health checks and automate safe driver and firmware pushes so devices remain compatible. When deployment's complete, validate end-to-end printing from several user accounts. If something breaks, try the key troubleshooting step. Restart the print spooler, clear stuck jobs, and reassign the correct signed driver to the problematic device before escalating.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.